Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Indian River County in east central Florida, southeastern Brevard County in east central Florida, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Barefoot Bay, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Bay, Melbourne, Sebastian, Malabar and Roseland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tropical weather outlook. Issued at 1:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, tropical cyclone formation is not expected during the next 7 days. Special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northern Indian River and southern Brevard counties through 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Blue Cypress Lake, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locate. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for Cape Canaveral to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 60 nautical miles until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Barefoot Bay to Sebastian Inlet State Park, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts up to 50 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Large hail could result in injury and damage to boats. Locations impacted include Floridana Beach, Sebastian Inlet State Park, Barefoot Bay, Sebastian Inlet and Melbourne Shores. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northern Indian River and southern Brevard counties through 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Blue Cypress Lake, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, winds in excess of 40 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Palm Bay, Sebastian, Feldmere, Sebastian Highlands and Roseland. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The short-term forecast.